What's up, guys? It's your boy Zdog Bradley 8 Gaming here, and
Bitch.
today we'll be
Shut up, bitch. Oh, I got my
today we'll
charger.
be going camping with the three of us. Isn't that crazy?
I'm tired.
Oh, I got
I
my
don't want to
charger.
go camping.
Shut up, you whore. Hold on. I think
Yeah, we're doing carriage time
I'll be right back.
in the campsite. Can you stop? Yep, down here.
Shut up, bitch.
Get down here.
Alright.
Down here before I have you mauled.
What?
I don't know.
Anyways,
I am here.
yeah. Also, another thing, you guys should join our Discord. It's on
Yes, join the
our,
Discord.
it's
It
on
is the
my
first link. It is the first link in the description. You guys will
yes.
see these videos a couple days earlier than normal people. So if you guys want to see these videos earlier, and you guys want to interact with not only me but also ZDog, the creator of the video, you can also check in the Discord, check in with a bunch of people for the community, everything like that. So yeah, first link in the
hmm
description. Can't miss it. If you see this video, go join it and let's watch us
Plus,
go camping.
most of the people that are on our videos are also in our Discord server too.
Yeah,
That's cool.
except for his fuck ass.
Oh, fuck you.
I'll touch you.
All
Matter of
right,
fact,
and away we go.
Go on your ass.
I
No,
was gonna
shush,
put
shush, shush.
balls.
All right, we're here.
I was gonna put balls in his face.
Shh.
Can you
Leave me,
not?
whore. I'll get spirit box. Let's go, guys.
I swore I heard something. Interesting news.
I'll check for items.
Guys, I'm stuck. Never mind, I'm free.
How are you stuck?
How are you already stuck? That's a good question.
Bone right here, and we got fucking summoning circle.
Why do you always
We have summoning circle, everyone.
L? Big
Let
L.
me do something.
Big L
Let me
moment.
do something.
Summoning circle? That's a big L. I'm not using that.
Who wants s'mores? Who wants s'mores?
What do you use? What? Summoning circle? We're not using it. That shit's annoyingly ass. Not even useful.
It really is.
And hunt!
Bro's like, I'd rather die. Aw man, Slenderman's not here.
I'm the Flash.
Oh, they did bug
My
me.
name is
Well, what?
Barry Allen.
I miss it.
Watch the CW.
I miss my boogie. The spot.
Oh, they did patch it.
I can't walk in there no more.
That was such a goated way to win.
What do you mean you
What?
found
Wait, what?
Cars off. I don't see Slenderman. Where's
Oh,
Slenderman?
interesting.
Where's father?
Exactly what I said.
You haven't seen it. They did not. I'm built different.
We made a short
Z-Dog.
together.
Z-Dog, you remember when we came across Slenderman out here? Oh.
Yeah, I do.
Hold on, I'm talking to spirit box. Shut up.
You wish you would.
Where are you?
Wait, I thought those were bones.
Bone is over there.
Wasn't that in the video that we had Slenderman?
Yeah. Actually, no, it was in a short.
Oh yeah, the short. The memories. What the fuck is this? Oh. How much did you grind without me?
I have a whole tier 3 thermostat now.
Well, I can see you also got the letters. I'll get that. You get.
You got spirit box?
We also get that.
No spirit box. I'm also burning the teddy bear.
Alright.
Okay. I got Ghost Rating. I got the book at least. Go check out.
What? We have ghost riding, you said?
No, oh my god.
Okay, Dom, next time you try to say it, you just say book.
There's that, and now we're good.
Pro tip, just say book.
I mean, I haven't played this game in a while, so I'm ready for the update.
Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest.
Oh yeah, the game's getting an update soon. Can't wait.
Can I fuck him?
Can you not?
restraining order on you.
Can you not?
You wouldn't. You love me.
60 feet.
I don't think anyone does.
You both are so mean. Why am I even in a game with you two?
It's content.
Cause you're brought here. Maybe against his will.
I don't see orbs. I mean,
Just an event.
okay. So where's he at? The ghost.
I caught him around here with the sound thing.
Alright.
I don't think we have orbs. I think we should cross it off, honestly. No orbs. Yeah. No orbs.
Z-Dog said we had orbs.
I didn't mark it.
Event. Boogity boogity. And then Z-Dog, you said there was orbs. Or he just lied to me.
I didn't say anything about orbs.
Exactly.
Jumbo's cooked.
He's schizo. He doesn't know yet, but he's close. Look at
If I die, I'm slitting bullets.
Dude, go hide!
Go hide!
How?
Oh
Holy
my
shit.
God.
Bro really just said, how?
Big L. Died.
That was
Oh my god,
crazy.
his body! Look at this! My back!
I don't think I want to.
My back!
I
God
back.
damn. Okay, take some sanity pills.
Okay, GG, bro, we're dead. Tone in.
It's funny.
Yeah, I don't know where though.
You know, it's just an event. Cause he's right behind you. Take some sanity medication.
We I forgot we had summoning circle. I can't move it if it's something else. I'll put dots right there.
We got any of this? Nope. Good thing. No crucifix, so it spawned somewhere else, but we just don't know. Z-Dog, are we cooked?
Maybe.
I would assume we are. I've seen it once. GG's.
This could be a demon with how much it's hunting.
Maybe. Oh, GG's, yep. Demon.
Alright, let's try demon then. I don't really know. What a horrible way to start. Camping, not successful. I'll tell you that much. We didn't even get to make a single s'more. There's a phantom too, it's crazy.
Phantom? That's crazy. Jimbo's AFK. Honestly,
I hate
gosh.
both of you.
Oh, he's back. Alright. So, our camping trip was definitely wrong.
Where did he go?
Who, what?
Who?
Oh, there he is.
Who?
Guys, I think we should go back to school.
No. I'm gonna go home.
It's too early.
I wanna go home.
Alright, no, let's go home then. Let's go home.
Oh, hell no. That's not
Yeah,
our
let's go
home.
home. Yeah, let's go home. It is our home, bitch. It's a cabin.
A cabin is
Three-way.
not a home. Ready up.
Fuck it, I'll take the 3, bitch.
I'm down.
Damn it. It's cause he's lower level.
No.
It's cause he's lower level. It's cause he's lower level.
Now shushy.
Bitch.
Shushy. What'd it say? Cursed object?
I have EMF, spirit box, and ultraviolet.
I don't remember if it said anything.
I don't know either
About,
because he opened it so fast, so yeah, I couldn't hear it. We want to check attic at least. Word thing.
Sure.
Hey dog, where you going?
Going to grab a headgear. 'Cause I forgot to grab one.
I don't know why you forgot. That's questionable. I'm
So I
searching
would keep
everywhere.
forgetting.
I'm blaming you.
I might have forgot here. Headgear.
I
What are we
people
looking
forget. Y'all are cooking me.
We don't
Well,
normally
I'm
use
gonna get into the attic and I'm gonna see if I find any orbs.
Can the cards or anything spawn like that
Oh, wait.
on this map?
I could be
Yeah.
lying. I'm tripping.
Or
No cards. No cards. Sad, sad.
I heard you're gay. Is that
Huh.
true?
No.
What? Okay, not an attic, that's for sure.
Anyone want to smoke a cigar?
Where are y'all at?
I don't know. I heard of those things can be very dangerous for you.
Tried to strike me down.
What?
Jimbo? There he is, okay.
The ghost is trying to smite my ass down, bro. Tell me why.
Why? What did happen? What happened?
Fucking
What happened?
The lights flicker. The ghost made the lights flicker.
I have no light, guys, so I'm going off of your echolocation.
So really?
You mean to tell me you didn't grab a headlamp? Yep,
Nope.
you are.
Man. It's a big boner right here.
Oh, you found. Oh my god.
Skeleton?
One big boner.
Na-na-na-na-na.
What does that mean?
Collectible.
Yeah.
Oh, is this extra money? Y'all just gonna leave me and not tell me something? I'm checking everywhere. Ah!
I'm trying to check everywhere too.
I know, but at least tell me where you're gonna go. I wanna be a
I'm
wild
just walking
goose.
around with ultraviolet.
Well, maybe. I don't know. One room at the end of the entire hall upstairs cleared. Bathroom cleared. Are you in the attic, Z-Dog?
No.
What's the... What do you mean?
I'm not.
Bro. If it's just longer than 20 minutes, you gotta cut most of this from the video. That's the sad part.
I'm going
I'm
back
sorry, why is
downstairs.
power not on yet?
Let's see, because we can't find it. It's not in the attic hallway, so we can't even turn it on.
Oh, I know exactly where it is then.
It might be outside.
Thank you.
It is outside.
Remember that one time it was in the ghost was in the bathroom?
Hmm?
You forget, or I gotta repeat.
Oh yeah, the bathroom.
You remember after? Okay.
Thank
We
the
are right, though.
fucking god.
What?
The lights are on.
Yeah, we just got them on, so.
That's what I'm saying, thank god.
Let's regroup in the lobby. There's not a good idea of where to be. So we should probably move together.
Hi.
Yeah, the lobby. It's a hotel now.
Yeah, it's a hotel now.
He's
Trust
a
me,
shit.
there's a lot of rooms.
Hi, faggot.
Alright.
Every room that you two have been in, I've been in with a UV, so I don't think it's UV. I still need to search the entire house with EMF.
I wonder if it's outside.
I mean, it's possible. Like, what was the last time?
How do you know?
Hold on, let me cook. I'm in the piano room.
Flashing lights.
Alright.
It was in the general hallway.
Hey, dog, turn around.
That's you. Nah, bruh.
Am I a pianist? Probably now.
You're playing too well in a game like this.
Oh, GG's power's off.
Yeah, I'm probably dead.
Then go turn it back on.
So I saw lights flickering upstairs in the hallway that Kinko was in.
In here?
And, no, in that hallway.
In a room.
In
In
this
here?
hallway. In this hallway.
It's not a room then.
It could be in the hallway.
But it could also be over here. It could be in any spot, honestly. We don't know.
Where are you? Hello?
Wow, did we forget about the section door? I'm not sure. Oh, it's missing a gun. Oh, gun. Oh, okay. I know. This ghost may have died because someone dropped a gun and left it somewhere.
Power's back on.
Turn it on, Jimbo.
Kinko was a cunt.
Are we
Just
really
figuring I spread the word.
Hey,
Love you too.
Shit, it's hunting. It's downstairs somewhere. It's not up here.
would it make sense for it to be a
We gotta move.
Shit.
Now. Move.
Why?
It's hunting.
Oh, I don't even know what room I'm
Jeez, bro.
Keep moving, keep moving. Got him. It got him. I think it got Jimbo. It got Jimbo. Hold
Yeah, this looks a little familiar.
on, test.
2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1.
Do you hear it?
Bravo 6.
Oh yeah, he did. He did. We wouldn't be able to hear each other, so he did. GG's, bro. He lost now. Again, like it in.
Hack it up, hack it in.
I don't have incense because I've been holding on to the same stuff because I couldn't find where it's
Jesus.
at. So it's
You
definitely
peeked.
downstairs. Yeah, it's definitely
Your
downstairs.
mic
though.
peaked, bro.
Hallelujah.
Wait, what if it's on the stairway?
It's really not.
Where's it?
I don't know, it came from somewhere downstairs though.
Yeah, but. Yeah, hold on. I don't know now. We need to re-gear. 'Cause whatever room it came from, it has to be in there.
Oh, run. It's that way. Just dip, just dip. No static on the camera yet, so we have time. Where do we want to hide?
Go.
Don't you hear it?
It's moving. It's
You alive?
Obviously.
I think it's done.
We good.
Go, just go. I hear nothing. Where did you hide?
I'm out.
If he's on the ground, I'm running. I'm running out. I'm gonna try to. Please, God. Please be with me in this final moment. Hallelujah.
Jimbo really said it's upstairs.
yeah, and there's no orbs. I would have seen it the entire time, and I had that in my hand. So no orbs. We're cooked, I think, pretty much. We have no idea where it's at other than downstairs now. Wait, just the old. Bow, 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 bow. Little bit of sugar.
Mark up therm, and I'm gonna use something. Okay, just stick with me. It's that way. It's singing.
It's moving. I have no incense.
It's outside.
You have the only incense, and I don't. I like that ass. Get up. Just walk, just walk. You need to save stamina in case. So wait, it's outside? Is it anywhere?
Yeah, I don't know exactly where it is.
Well, I heard it. I know that because it was that. I swear to God, oh, hell no, I heard something click.
I heard something click. Very loudly. Right in my ear, I think. Then again, it was probably you.
Gimbo may be upset right now. He ain't playing. He ain't gonna play. I saw breath, but
Right
plus
here.
It's raining. Right here. Gotcha. This thing.
Has to be out here.
I'm checking temp. 4.5. 4.6. 5.2, so it's pretty much not freezing. 4.7. Breath.
I'll go grab stuff.
Oh, GG's.
Huh.
You have
Huh.
incense. We don't. We're cooked.
Huh. Whatever it could be then.
Oh, spooky scary.
Wait up.
GG's, we can't win.
Don't do this to me, bro. No, I'm out. Please don't tell me you died. Please, to the love of the Lord. I don't want to be alone. No! No! Oh, we know you're alive. Oh, wait, get the out now. I'm at the van. Get out of here. Oh my God, I'm not running. This map sucks for so many reasons.
Holy cow.
So, this map is never good for a reason. So we keep from inside. And it's been another 10. Pop a pill. What are we gonna guess? Because this is very unlucky.
I think it could be an Oni with how much it's doing and how much it's taking our
We're not-
sanity
we're-
away
yeah,
so
we're
much.
cooked no matter what. We're guessing only. Give or take, I don't care.
This
I'm
is
not dying.
this is not a good terror time video.
Yeah, it's
Of course,
Again?
2 in a fucking row.
alright. I've had enough. I wanna go home. This shit was unpleasant.
I hate all of you. Why am I the first one to die?
Is it separate?
First it was downstairs, then it went upstairs.
No, so it was upstairs. I died upstairs. I dropped. I was looking around grabbing shit. I dropped a vase, and then that's when you guys said it's on the hunt, and I just started running in circles because I didn't have a light. I started running
That's why
around
you
whatever room I
don't
was
grab
in.
only a UV. Just grab a light. Grab a headlamp.
I think we
why
should
you
stop the
not-
video here. That was like way over like 20 minutes. Alright,
Do a
guys.
bonus then.
No.
Worst terror time ever.
What do you mean worst terror time ever?
Shit was barely
We
coming.
didn't get a single one.
And the worst part was, we went farmhouse. We barely got anything. Farmhouse sucks. Agree or disagree?
Bitch.
Yeah.
Bitch. You know I'm sexy. Don't call, just text me. Bitches slow can't get on my speed.
Just ignore
I
him.
think he's different.
He'll end
You
it.
can say it, no, I'm the I-T-G-E-R-L. You
Your
know
character
I
looks like
am that
Jeffrey
girl.
Dahmer.
I'm gonna touch you in your sleep.
That's my cute again.
More like UGLY.
What does that mean?
Bruh.
YouTube!
Interesting.
Make sure you super. No, I'm joking.
No, not again. Looks like bro phased.
What the fuck?
Anyways.
Thanos?
Exactly, bro got Thanos snapped out of existence. But anyways, thank you guys
Will
for
he do
watching
this, though?
today's video.
Probably
This
won't.
was not the best Terror Time video I've made,
It was the best.
to be
one.
honest, hands down.
We went camping. I had fun.
We didn't even get to make s'mores before that thing started killing us all.
Wait, you can make s'mores?
No, I'm just saying.
Oh.
But anyways, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss any. Oh yeah, join the Discord. Don't forget to join the Discord. Remember, it's gonna be always on my channel where the links are. It's also gonna be on Jimbo's channel where the links are.
Hi. Bitch.
So yeah. Tune in next time for some more Terror Time. Hopefully it isn't as bad next time.